Hi, I'm Dave, and this is a rubber boot. And in a few minutes, you'll discover why this boot is the secret to you making money in the stock market. Curious? Just keep watching this short presentation and I'll reveal why. Watch this presentation until the end and you will also discover my top 3 tips to beat the stock market and make money consistently. Without being chained to your computer all day, and definitely without the worry, doubt, and fear that may keep you up at night. Plus, I will share with you the number 1 profit killer when it comes to making money in the stock market, and why you must avoid this at all costs. This is a mistake even the pros make, and it will ruin your chances for success. I have no idea how long I'll keep this presentation online, or how long it will be free of charge to watch. So watch this right now while it's still online and still free. You may think you've tried it all or seen it all when it comes to the stock market. However, what I'm revealing today is extremely unique and only found on this website in this free presentation. And one tip in particular will totally shock you. It's my absolute favorite. It's near the end, so keep watching. Remember, I'm about to share with you my top strategies for making money in the stock market and even more little-known tips to master your emotions when trading. First, I'm going to share a rather embarrassing story with you. I almost edited this part out because it's so shameful and brings back some painful memories. It's about one of my first experiences trading, and it's not something I like to talk about. I think it's important you hear it, because you may have had something similar happen to you. You'll see why I was reluctant to even include this story in about a minute, so stay with me. Deal? Now, I wasn't always a successful trader, investor, and business owner like I am today. With several rewarding businesses and a portfolio of profitable investments, helping people all over the world find success in the markets. And certainly not with the terrific net worth I have today. In fact, far from it. Actually, I was broke. I worked part-time for $10 an hour at a job I hated, and I still live with my dad in a modest 3-bedroom townhouse. My father was basically supporting me on my aimless journey through life. I'll explain how I turned it all around later on. But first, let me share a rather shocking story with you. You need to know how bad things got before I discovered the stuff I'm going to share with you today. The methods that allow me to live this amazing life that I live right now. I remember it was early Thursday morning, March 20th, 2003. I had just put on my work clothes, an old t-shirt and some shorts. I was starting my morning trading routine in my tiny spare bedroom where I had my trading desk. It was a rather balmy 7 degrees Celsius in Ottawa, and the snow was melting nicely from another Canadian winter. And the reason why I remember that is going to be really clear in just a moment. It had dawned on me that I was broke with a dead-end job, and that it simply wasn't going to get any better unless I took action. And I did, just like you're about to today. Despite knowing this, I guess I didn't feel it deep enough, as I needed to experience one really embarrassing, horrific event to really get me on the path to stock market success. I had been trading for 9 months and had already lost over 48% of my starting capital of $11,714.94. Yes, I remember the number to the penny. Money that took me over 2 years to save up. I was pretty much getting my butt kicked by the markets. Then something bad happened. I won. I didn't just win. I won big. The day before, I traded a stock called Boots & Coots International, symbol WEL. And I had made $1,713.57 in one day. Now you can imagine I thought it was pretty hot stuff after that. The next day I was feeling very excited and confident after my big win. You might even say I was cocky. After a day of bragging, my father was in on the action. I could hear him barking out prices for Boots & Coots from downstairs while watching CNBC. I decided I would try it again. Could lightning strike twice? The price of Boots & Coots had run up all morning. I couldn't take it anymore. I had to get back in, and I didn't want to miss out. I bought 2,000 shares of Boots & Coots at $2.37, and immediately I was filled and price started to fall. I mean literally, the high was $2.38, then the bottom dropped out. Price was free falling, and my dad offered his sage advice. Buy more, it did this yesterday too. I was really panicking at this point, and there seemed to be logic in his argument. So I bought 2,000 more shares at $1.78, and price kept falling, and I had no plan or rules to deal with it. Finally, I gave up. I threw in the towel and sold my 4,000 shares of Boots & Coots at 80 cents. It sounds silly, but to this day, the sight of rubber boots brings back the memory of that fateful day. I lost $5,147.06 in one trade. My account was decimated and I was crushed. I remember falling to my knees in tears. Yes, I actually cried. I sat there, a grown man, and cried about what a failure I was and how I screwed up. I wanted to succeed so badly. Now the future I wanted seemed impossible. I was angry, frustrated, and I wanted to blame everyone else for my lack of success. That was my rock bottom. But you know what? That one day caused my entire life to change. I gathered myself and decided to make it my mission to change my life and do whatever it takes to succeed. I would never, ever trade without a plan again. I vowed to read every book and learn everything I could about trading and investing. For the next 18 months, that is exactly what I did. In my journey, I stumbled upon the secrets all professional traders know and the formula that propelled me to success in the stock market. Every professional trader I talked to followed these exact principles. I formulated a blueprint of how to do it, and without being chained to my computer all day watching stock prices. And today, I'm going to reveal it to you. Just keep watching. Remember, despite my success today in the markets, I'm absolutely no different than you. I started from scratch, and I struggled along the way. I just happened to figure out a really simple, step-by-step formula for the average person like you and me to see massive results when it comes to trading the stock market. This is a blueprint designed with you in mind and tailored for folks like us who want to achieve ultimate success in the stock market and finally earn the financial wealth you desire and gain the freedom and security that comes with it. To have complete and total confidence in your trading, the ability to master your emotions and sleep comfortably at night, to unlock the mystery of how to buy low and sell high and never be on the wrong side of the market again. This isn't just the blueprint I teach thousands of other folks just like you. It's the exact same blueprint I used myself to efficiently double my money in the first 6 months. And the same strategies I use today to consistently beat the markets year after year. And now, you can experience the same success for yourself using this proven blueprint for faster, more effective stock market results. I'll share all the specifics with you in just a moment. First, I feel I must warn you about the real problem you face today. This is a real-life conspiracy, a villain in a black hat, if you will, and it's the sole reason behind why you struggle with winning in the stock market. And this is why you continually lose money, and it's not your fault. After you see this, you'll know it's your responsibility to take action. The shocking truth is that you've been lied to when it comes to investing in the stock market, and those lies have all but destroyed your chances for the success you desire and deserve. Many folks believe that you have to be chained to your computer all day, or you need some magic software just to see success in the stock market. Maybe you're one of those people, just like I was. However, that's just nowhere near the truth. If you're one of the millions that have fell victim to this lie, then you need to decide now to accept the truth, because if you don't, you'll continue losing your shirt in the stock market. And you will end up an emotional wreck with no confidence in your trading decisions, watching your trading portfolio melt away. And eventually, no matter how much effort you put into it, you will simply give up on the stock market and on building the wealth of your dreams. Listen, this is not what I want for you, and I know it's not what you desire for yourself. And this is the reason your struggles making money in the markets is not your fault. Put all the blame on the financial industry, the banks, the mutual fund companies, and even the trading advisory services and newsletters, all out to make a buck off your back with hidden fees, predatory lending, and putting you under crushing debt. After all, you've been bombarded for years by lies perpetuated from these crooks. The financial industry depends on your deception and confusion to make a buck. I don't. All that misinformation and half-truths spread by the financial industry is enough to confuse the smartest person alive, and it confused me for years. Here are the facts. The 2008 financial crisis hammered the S&P 500 down 45% from its 2007 highs. Housing prices had dropped more than 20% from their 2006 peak. And savings and investment assets, not including retirement savings, lost $1.2 trillion. Pension assets and retirement accounts lost $1.3 trillion. Since peaking in the second quarter of 2007, household wealth is down $14 trillion. That's trillion with a T, and that is just in the United States. Amazing, isn't it? The truth is, you should never rely on others to make financial decisions for you. Why? When you keep searching for all the answers, you will get overwhelmed. Plus, you will never learn how to do it for yourself, and that is the key to your breakthrough in the stock market. The bottom line is, if you don't have a plan or system to follow, then you're following someone else's plan for you, and no one cares about your money more than you do. Now that you know the problems holding you back from stock market success has been due only to the lies and half-truths that you have been told, let's get right into my top 3 tips I need to share with you today. These are the exact same tips and tactics that countless thousands of successful traders have used to see massive success in the stock market. The success you desire and deserve. And by far the most important tip I can give you to win in the markets is to eliminate greed and fear and control your emotions. The way to do that is to plan your trades in advance. Yes, it seems simple, but you absolutely must do this if you really want to make money in the markets. If you don't do this, your trading will come to a grinding halt, even if you do everything else right. The reason why this works to generate you more money in the stock market is it takes emotion out of the equation and gives you simple trading rules to follow. In my trading plan, the core principle is, if you fail to plan, then you plan to fail. I know you're curious, so hang with me. I'll get into trading plan specifics in just a moment, so be sure to keep watching. First, I need to warn you about the number one thing you must avoid doing to make more money in the stock market. You're likely doing this right now, and it's killing your trading results. If you stop doing this one thing, you'll boost your trading profits immediately, reduce the size of your losses, and decrease the amount of risk to your money. Here's the secret. You're taking too much risk by buying too many shares at a time. Most people who decide to buy a stock will use all the available cash in their account to get as many shares as possible. Or they buy using large round numbers like $5,000 or $10,000 at a time. This is a big mistake. The best way to avoid this is to use a simple position sizing formula that tells you exactly how many shares to buy. Here's the formula. I suggest you write this down. Number of shares purchased equals maximum loss, which is the amount you're willing to lose per trade, divided by your stop loss size, which is the difference between your entry price minus your initial stop price. Seems simple, right? Once you're using this formula, you'll always be buying the right amount of shares to make the maximum amount of money with the minimum amount of risk. Now you can prevent huge losses to your portfolio, and you'll be able to make more trades to diversify your risk and not put all of your eggs in one basket. Just imagine not having to hold a stock that got crushed, waiting for months or even years just to sell at break even and get your money back. How much more profitable your portfolio will be when you're not taking 20, 30, and 40% or more losses in one trade, just by buying the right amount of shares at the right time. Isn't that incredible? All these benefits just from avoiding the trap of buying too many shares. Now I want to share with you another great tip. It's how I learned to always be on the right side of the market and to sell at the exact top of the trend. When you sell a few cents from the top, let me tell you, trading becomes fun. If you do this, you'll know the direction the market is going and you'll be able to buy low and sell high. You'll also be the go-to person for friends and family when the topic of the stock market comes up. What's the secret? The stock market moves in cycles. The bottom line here is the market moves one of 3 directions, up, down, or sideways. Within those 3 directional trends, there's a 4-step cycle that plays out over and over again. Knowing where you are in the cycle allows you to make better trading decisions. For example, I have a formula for selling at the top of a trend. Here's my 5XMA formula for getting the most out of a trade. I highly recommend you write this down. This one tip can make you a lot of money in the stock market. The 5XMA formula for uptrends, or the extreme profit rule as I like to call it, is 5 times the 20-period average true range indicator plus the 20-period simple moving average. Add those together and this equals your exit price. Now I know it sounds a little tricky the first time you hear it, but it's really not that complicated. Follow this formula and you will sell near the top of extreme stock moves and magnify your profits, which eliminates the greed monster and gives you a simple exit strategy to follow. You need trading rules like this. Without them, you're flying blind. Don't worry. I have a solution. So keep watching and I'll share more with you. Picture this for a moment. You know exactly where the market is heading, how to buy low and sell at the high. You feel confident in your decisions, more in control, and calm with no anxiety while you trade. Now just imagine never, ever being on the wrong side of the market again. Not only that, you will enjoy maximum locked-in gains without the fear of losing your paper profits. This is one of the secret weapons to achieving your trading goals faster. And it's about to get even better. Remember the most important trading tip I gave you earlier was to plan your trades? I also introduced you to my core principle. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. And that doing this would eliminate greed and fear and help you control your trading psychology. Warning. If you do not do this, all the other tips are really worthless. This concept is that important to your trading success and your overall ability to make money in the stock market. Planning your trades is the strategy all professional traders use. And get this takes emotion out of the equation and gives you simple rules for you to follow. All as you see stock market success flooding your way. This is my powerful trading blueprint method. And every top trader I know uses these strategies, even if they aren't aware of it. Here's what I'm talking about. You want to know what price you want to enter a trade before you enter the trade. The same goes for the exit and profit targets. You need to know exactly how many shares to buy and when to buy. You also need to know what you should do if things don't go as planned. This is important because now you're prepared before you go into battle. For your entry, you want to use a proven buy and sell strategy such as pullbacks within a trend or breakouts. These strategies have been around forever and flat out work. First, determine your trigger price ahead of time. Base the number of shares you buy on the position sizing formula I gave you earlier. Make sure you have an initial stop loss. This is your line in the sand to get out. This is very important. Now you set a price target using the 5XMA formula. Next, write down what you plan to do if price gaps down, or if the trade remains flat for too long. Yes, sometimes you may want to exit if the trade goes nowhere. This is your ticket to consistently making money in the stock market, to removing the uncertainty of when to buy and when to sell, and to finally eliminate the shoot from the hip mentality that is costing you a lot of money. Now you can relax, follow your plan, and let the trading rules do the work just like the professionals do. My system, which I'm about to cover in detail, is based on the concept of a trading plan. And it allows you to eliminate greed and fear in your trading and unlocks the secret of how to buy low and sell high. Imagine finally being able to make money consistently in the stock market and achieve the financial freedom and secure retirement you've always wanted. You will forever leave behind the frustrations you've no doubt experienced when it comes to trading the stock market. All those frustrations end today. Not only that, you will also feel the satisfaction and sense of accomplishment knowing that you can beat the market day in and day out and pass down the knowledge to the ones you care about. Everyone will wonder, what's up with all this trading success? But you'll know what's up. You've uncovered the trading formula. Proven success tactics, strategies, and so much more are yours for the taking starting today. Wow, that was a ton of valuable information, and you may be feeling a bit unsure of where and how to get started, and that's fine. All this really means is that you have two simple choices to make right now. Choice number 1. You can take all the tips and info I just gave you and try to put the puzzle pieces together on your own without assistance. And who knows, you may get lucky and one day see some progress. It will take longer, of course, and you'll make a lot of painful mistakes, but you could choose this. Or you could take choice number 2, the wiser choice, the choice most everyone takes who is ready for stock market success. This is the quickest, easiest, and smartest way possible to achieve the stock market success you deserve. Why risk failure and frustration trying to figure all of this out by yourself when I've done the hard work for you? Why even consider starting from scratch? I've laid out your exact step-by-step trading blueprint already. It's a system that I've perfected and tested for years on countless thousands of men and women just like you. It's battle-tested and proven to work. Here's what the vast majority decide to do. It's called, Hi, I'm Dave Gagne, the creator of Trading Master Plan. Trading Master Plan is the ultimate stock market trading plan that eliminates greed and fear and unlocks how to buy low and sell high. This tested, proven, and efficient blueprint for trading success will work for you, even if you have a super busy schedule. This takes very little time to manage. Low tolerance for risk. The core principle is to minimize risk. A belief that it takes too much work. I've done most of the work for you. A belief that trading is too complicated. I've made it as simple as possible. Not enough money to trade. I'll show you how to trade with very little money. Or, even if you feel you've tried absolutely everything. Now, before I tell you what Trading Master Plan is, I need to tell you what it isn't, so you know exactly what you're about to experience. Trading Master Plan is not some push-button software that flat out doesn't work, or a stock market newsletter that picks stocks but offers you absolutely no trading advice on how and what to do with it. This is not some magic green arrow, red arrow signal service that promises incredible results but never delivers. And it's definitely not the same old rehashed basic stock market info that you can find on Google in 2 minutes. Listen, you've been lied to enough. It's time to put away the trading gimmicks and start using the real deal. Sound fair? Trading Master Plan is a direct result of over 14 years of study, trial and error, and collaboration with professional traders to find what really works, as well as examining the real reasons behind trading failures so I could create a trading plan to avoid these negative pitfalls that 98% of people make. And now, starting today, you will have the tools to replicate their success. The strategies of truly successful traders can now be simply duplicated, giving you the freedom to quickly build a profitable trading plan that enables you to buy low and sell high, all while you reduce your losses, eliminate worry and doubt, and steadily increase your profits as you finally achieve the stock market success, wealth, and security you absolutely deserve. Before we go one step further, I need to be 100% honest with you. If you're looking for that magic button trading software answer, or if you want yet another doom and gloom, our stock picks are the best newsletter, or some other hype-filled trading system that you already know will never ever work for you. You know those systems you've tried before, those DVD courses and seminars that have never worked for you before, and they have gotten you to where you are now. If that is what you want, then do us both a favor and just forget all about Trading Master Plan, because it's not going to give you impossible results, just solid, achievable results. Trading Master Plan isn't pie-in-the-sky fantasyland nonsense. It's the real deal, and it's only for folks like you who are really serious about making money in the stock market. In short, there are no easy trading answers, but Trading Master Plan makes stock market success as easy as it gets. You have been lied to in the past. People tell you this is easy, but you know if trading was easy, you would have already done it. Here's the deal. I've made it as easy as it could possibly ever get. So if you're ready for the real truth behind what it takes to succeed for life in the stock market, here's what you can expect. If you want to, stop being on the wrong side of the market, learn market cycles and patterns, and never buy the top and sell at the bottom again. Build a cohesive strategy and plan and trade using the exact same methods professional traders use day in and day out. Put an end to greed, fear, and hope and the indecision that comes with them, and get the stock market results you desire without sacrificing your entire life to do it. Then Trading Master Plan isn't just a trading solution for you. It is the only trading solution for you. Check out the results that average people are getting. Look at Ramesh. He made 16% on one trade and 12% on another, and he was just starting out. Then there's Ali. He made a quick $330 profit in just 4 days with a small position and a swing trading strategy without taking much risk. And here's KC. He says he has extra confidence and feels much better about his trading, and he has much less greed and fear. Let's take a look at what you will receive with your copy of Trading Master Plan. On page 36, you'll discover the secrets behind market cycles and how to use them to your advantage. This includes detailed illustrations of the 4 phases and major trends that will keep you on the right side of the market at all times. In section 2, pages 72 to 130, you'll discover 8 dynamic buy and sell setups that are proven to work and have stood the test of time. Plus, in this section, I will cut through the noise and demystify technical analysis for you. You'll discover my 23 trading rules that I use to trade in today's markets on pages 151 to 155. Rules like how to manage gaps, entry rules, and trade management rules. And on pages 143 to 147, you'll get all the details of my unbelievable extreme profit rule that will force you to exit near the top of a move. As you've probably noticed by now, Trading Master Plan is by far the most efficient, fastest way to reach the stock market results you dream of, as it allows you to trade with complete confidence, preventing emotions from getting in your way and allowing you to trade and manage your portfolio with very little time commitment. And the results come fast too. In fact, many TMP clients report that they stop taking large losses almost immediately and start making winning trades in less than 30 short days. And that gives you trades like this, where you can catch a trend and ride the wave up for huge gains, or buy the pullbacks like in those green circles and sell using the extreme profit rule for maximum returns. Now you may believe that a system that can do all of that and much more costs a pretty penny. And in all honesty, it really should. After all, Trading Master Plan has already helped thousands of people achieve stock market success faster and easier than ever. Yet, I'll get to the price in just a few moments. First, I want to share a few unique benefits this one-of-a-kind system will deliver to you. Unlock the power of Japanese candlesticks right out of the gate on pages 47 to 55. You'll also discover the financial industry's biggest lies. You must avoid doing this if you want to finally achieve the success you desire. That's on page 16. Plus, I'll be revealing my 8 steps that will show you exactly how to create your own trading plan, and all the specific nitty-gritty details for all of your trade management and performance tracking in order to supercharge your trading results. The price of the Trading Master Plan system, sold by itself, is valued at $99. Yet, you're not just receiving Trading Master Plan today. I have a lot more for you. Just for watching this entire presentation today, I'd like to give you these value-added bonuses free of charge, just to help you start making money even faster. The first gift you'll be receiving today is the Money Management Calculator software. This will help you determine your position size, calculate your risk and trailing stop loss, and it even calculates the 5XMA extreme profit rule for you. It's normally valued at $47, yours free today. Next, you'll receive members-only access to a growing library of trading videos and lessons. Currently over 20 videos and special reports. There's videos on short selling, risk to reward, and my acclaimed trading psychology series, valued at over $97, yours free. You will also receive the Trading Master Plan visual journals, 15 case studies from actual trades. These journals come packed with valuable trading knowledge and over 1 hour of audio analysis by me. Learn to read supply and demand by examining the details from my actual trades. Valued at over $150, yours free. Now you can see why the Trading Master Plan system is valued at $99. Even without the bonuses, this is a steal. And if you bought the bonuses along with Trading Master Plan, your total investment today would be over $392. However, just for watching this presentation today, I have a much better deal coming your way, so keep watching. Of course, you could choose to continue down the path you're on right now and end up spending 10, 20, even 100 times more than the investment you'll make today in Trading Master Plan in the form of lost money by continuing to do the wrong things and getting crushed by the markets. Then there's the hundreds or even thousands of dollars you will end up spending on trading courses, seminars, and push-button software that just doesn't work. And let's not forget the time and energy you will waste banging your head against the wall, trying to figure this out for yourself. What's your time really worth to you? And that isn't what I want for you. So let's make this a really easy decision, okay? I feel you deserve to know why I'm about to offer you such a massive discount today. Let me share my vision with you. It's a cause I'm inviting you to join today, along with the thousands of others who are ready to take control of their wealth, secure their financial future, and replace constant money-draining losses with powerful money management concepts, a cohesive trading plan, and a consistent stream of winning trades. A few years ago, I set an inspiring goal. I dedicated myself to helping at least 100,000 men and women reach a net worth of over $1 million. Since then, I've helped thousands of people improve their trading skills, build their investment portfolios, and take charge of their wealth. That's a goal of $100 billion of net worth. Can you imagine it? How much good that would create? How much that would help the economy and the charity it would produce? How many other people would be inspired by this cause and pay it forward? The bottom line, I decided that I absolutely need to let as many folks as possible join in this cause, a cause I call Mission to 1 Million. The good news? That means a much lower price for you, because I want you to join the mission, and I don't want finances to stop anyone. That means that today you will not be paying the retail value of $393 for the Trading Master Plan system and the bonuses. Nowhere close to that. Not even half of that. Not even $99. Your total investment today, which includes the Trading Master Plan system, plus all the bonuses you see above, is now only one payment of just $49. Look below this presentation right now. Click on the Add to Cart button to lock in your discounted price today for only $49. Listen, don't decide right now. Take advantage of my unconditional triple guarantee. Just try the Trading Master Plan system for yourself for a full 60 days. If you don't absolutely transform your trading results in those 60 short days, or if you do not find our service and attention to your satisfaction top-notch, or even if you don't like the font I use in the book, it doesn't matter. If you're not 100% satisfied in every way, I'll gladly refund every penny. No hassles, no worries, and we'll part as friends no matter what. Look below this video right now. Click on the green button that says Add to Cart and lock in your discounted price now. You'll join thousands of Trading Master Plan success stories, like Sravan from India, who made 21% short selling AMD. Yes, these strategies work for all market directions. And then there's Gilbert. Just look and see his amazing results. He made 18% in 1 day trading GLG, over 13% in 3 days trading CAL, and he made a hefty 29% shorting PSUN. Here's what Terry has to say. If I have learned one thing from Trading Master Plan, it's don't break your rules. And here's Bill's results. With 2 simple swing trades of AMX, he banked over $2.50 per share. Finally, here's what Craig said about Trading Master Plan. Black box systems of green and red lights are far too simplistic for this business. Buy knowledge, not gimmicky wonder programs. Trading Master Plan is the most useful resource available. It's an excellent value. Plus, if you act now, before this presentation ends, I'm going to include the Trading Master Plan Deluxe upgrade worth $99.95 as a super bonus, absolutely free. The Trading Master Plan Deluxe edition includes the online deluxe version with 5 hours of audio, and that's not just me reading the chapters. It's a genuine director's cut of me going into greater detail in every single chapter of the book. The Exit Strategies webinar, 73 minutes of me going into great detail of how and when to use the exit strategies from the course. And the SmartScan Formula video series, which teaches you how to find the trading patterns found in the book. It's over 4 hours of video, and it's yours free today. This brings your total value today to over $492, and even at that price, this is a total bargain. Yet today, if you act now, the entire Trading Master Plan system, with all the bonuses, plus the Deluxe Edition upgrade, is yours for just one payment of $49. Remember, it's not just a fantastic bargain you're getting today. You'll be joining in my mission to 1 million net worth cause that is going to transform lives. You'll be an essential part of the ever-growing Trading Master Plan customer community. And you'll even make some wonderful new friends along the way. Like-minded friends like you who are dedicated to trading and investing success. Click on the green button that says Add to Cart to claim your discounted price now. You'll be granted immediate access to everything, the Trading Master Plan system and all the bonuses, plus your free super bonus upgrade, Trading Master Plan Deluxe Edition, which alone is worth over $99.95. Here's what will happen the moment you click the Add to Cart button below this video. First, you'll be taken to our 100% secure checkout page, which looks like this. This is what you're going to see the moment you click on that button. So when you see this, you know you're in the right place. It's a 100% secure checkout page with 128-bit encryption. Just fill out your details and place your order. Then, after your order, you can select the add-ons you prefer to help you start making money even faster. Once you're ready, simply click on the OK button, then click the Download or Access button. It will look just like this. Finally, you'll arrive at our secure members-only account to access all of your products. Plus, I have a few additional gifts too. It's that simple. Remember, you've been struggling with making money in the stock market for far too long, and the pain of continuing in a state of inaction will only lead to more despair, more frustration, and continued losses in the stock market. Yet all of this can change the moment you begin applying the quick start principles found in the Trading Master Plan system. Picture the moment you finally have the answer you've been looking for and begin to follow the path to financial freedom. You're filled with confidence, full of optimism and certainty. You see and experience steady progress toward consistent profits in the stock market day after day. You are experiencing the freedom, security, and life-changing results you deserve at long last. Here's the brutal truth. Your failure in the stock market isn't your fault. At least not entirely. Yes, you've been told a pack of lies in the past about stock market riches from either crooks or well-intentioned but naive, misinformed folks. Then there's that dreaded stock market software that we've all tried and did nothing but backfire in your face. And then there's all those false promises no one stands behind. Well, today is your day to claim your power and take responsibility. You do it by taking action, doing what you know you must do in order to see real stock market results on a plan that simply works. Here's the good news. Unlike all those ridiculous stock market gimmicks, this one is guaranteed to work for you. Try Trading Master Plan for 60 full days on me and see the results you desire, or you pay absolutely nothing. Plus, you're always just minutes away from an answer from our friendly support staff. Here's what Craig from SwingTradeStocks.com said about Trading Master Plan. I loved Trading Master Plan the first time I read it. This course is jam-packed with solid trading principles that can get any trader on the path to success. These trading principles really work. I know because Dave trades the same way I trade. Get this course and learn how to trade from an expert trader and outstanding teacher. Immediately after you buy today, you'll log in and download the Trading Master Plan Strategy Guide. Turn immediately to page 36 so I can reveal to you the stock market cycle. This is crucial information for your fastest progress. Reading this chapter is critical and helps get you off on the right foot, so you can experience the stock market gains you deserve. Remember, along with your Market Cycles chapter, you'll also be receiving the complete second edition of Trading Master Plan. This is your easy-to-follow trading guide that will take you step by step building your knowledge and create your own trading plan. the money management calculator so you can reduce your risk, minimize losses, and never be unprepared again. The Trader's Library. Keep growing your knowledge and cut your learning curve with the members-only video tutorials, audios, and ebooks. My trading case studies. Follow along as I break down 15 of my trades. These audios and charts are packed with valuable insights and trading wisdom. And my super bonus, the Trading Master Plan Deluxe Edition with over 5 hours of audio commentary loaded into the chapters, the 4-hour Smart Scan formula tutorials, and the 73-minute exit strategy webinar, all free. It's like having me over your shoulder as you learn. Just don't put this off 1 second longer. And here's why. First, as you will recall, I lowered the price of Trading Master Plan for you by over 50%, just so you can get it today. You just need to realize that I'm going to have to eventually raise the price back where it deserves to be. So act now before that happens. And you also don't want to miss out on the Deluxe Edition Super Bonus, which has never been offered as a free upgrade. Only the first comers get access to this incredible bonus. Everyone else will be out of luck. And let's remember, unless you take action now, today, you may never take action. You may do what some people do and put it off. Just a few more days, which will turn into months, then years. It's no longer a question of want. You need Trading Master Plan. And now you just have to take action. And do the only smart thing you can do. Take advantage of this insane discount while you still can. And wisely get on the right path today to stock market success using the simple, proven, step-by-step strategy. Click the green Add to Cart button below right now, and let's get you started today. If you're still watching, I bet you still have some questions. Here are the most common questions I get and the answers to help you out. Question: is the program a DVD or a book? And is there shipping costs? The course is a 200-page PDF with all the bonus videos, and the online deluxe version includes 5 hours of audio and an additional 5 hours of video. Everything is delivered digitally immediately after you purchase. Simply log into your members area and everything will be waiting for you. No shipping costs to worry about. Question: I don't have enough money. Do I need a lot of money to trade? No. Unlike day trading, which requires a lot of capital, my style of trading can be followed with as little as $1,000. I recommend a starting amount of $10,000, but it's not necessary. Question: is the system complicated and difficult to follow? Not really. Like anything, there is a learning curve if you're just starting out. However, I receive comments daily from clients who thank me for the simple, easy-to-follow approach and for removing the mystery of the whole trading process. Question: does this take a lot of time to implement? No, I manage all of my accounts and watch lists in less than an hour a day. But I'm a little overkill. This is my passion. You can easily manage your portfolio in 20 minutes a day, and many days you don't need to do anything. If you choose to be a more active swing trader, then there will be more time involved with managing your trades. This usually means you've been hit by the stock market bug, and you just can't get enough. Question: do you teach how to find the trades? Yes, there is a 3-module scanning and watchlist building video series and over 4 hours of training as part of the Trading Master Plan Deluxe Upgrade Super Bonus. Question: how long do I have access to the course? The course is available online with unlimited access 24/7. As long as you are a paid member in good standing, your access will never be revoked. Question: can't I figure this out on my own? Maybe, but why would you want to? Wouldn't you rather just take a shortcut and learn what has already been proven to work? Look, I've already made every mistake and have spent tens of thousands of dollars testing and tweaking my trading plans so that you don't have to. But hey, if you want to spend your valuable time and hard-earned money trying to figure this out on your own, you certainly can. Question: is there a guarantee? Of course, we have a 60-day, 100% money-back guarantee, so yes, your purchase is 100% guaranteed. If you're not happy with Trading Master Plan for any reason, simply let our friendly support team know within 60 days of your purchase and we'll happily refund every penny. No hard feelings. Question: is this a day trading program? No. Day trading requires large amounts of capital, training, and proper execution platforms just to be on a level playing field as the pros. I don't recommend day trading unless you have all of that in order. My trading style is a little longer term, swing and position trading, which gets you out of the cutthroat day trading world and still agile enough to take advantage of buy and holders and institutional investors. Question: will this work with Forex? Yes and no. While the strategies and candlestick patterns will work with Forex or any trading instrument, the money management rules are designed for stocks. Click the green Add to Cart button below right now and let's get you started today. Remember, you'll be receiving the complete second edition of Trading Master Plan. This is your easy-to-follow trading guide that will take you step-by-step building your knowledge and create your own trading plan. The money management calculator so you can reduce your risk, minimize losses, and never be unprepared again. The Trader's Library. Keep growing your knowledge and cut your learning curve with the members-only video tutorials, audios, and ebooks. My trading case studies. Follow along as I break down 15 of my trades. These audios and charts are packed with valuable insights and trading wisdom. And my super bonus, the Trading Master Plan Deluxe Edition, with over 5 hours of audio commentary loaded into the chapters. It's like having me over your shoulder as you learn. Click the green Add to Cart button below right now, and let's get you started today.